3월 12일 7시 40분.
Unit 4, Transportation.
Reading focus.
What is transportation?
What is
Why do people
transportation?
use transportation?
Why do people
What
use
kinds of
transportation?
are there?
What kinds of transportation are there?
Before you read. Keywords.
Land transportation,
Land transportation,
Bike.
bicycle, bike,
Car.
car,
Bus.
bus,
Train.
train,
Subway.
subway,
Truck.
truck,
air transportation,
air transportation,
Airplane.
airplane,
Helicopter.
helicopter,
Jet.
jet,
water transportation,
water transportation,
Ship.
ship,
Ferry.
ferry,
Cargo.
cargo,
Ship.
ship,
Cargo ship.
cargo ship.
Power verbs.
ride,
She
Ride.
rides her bike.
She rides her bike.
They
Take.
take the school bus.
They take the
Carry.
school bus.
Trains carry many
Carry.
things
Trains
at one
carry
time.
many things
Transport.
at one time.
Ferries transport people.
Transport. Ferries transport people.
Word families.
a bus driver,
A bus driver
Drives a bus.
drives a bus.
a delivery
A
truck,
delivery truck
Delivers things.
delivers
an
things.
airplane,
An airplane
Flies
flies
in the air.
in the
a
air.
ship,
A
Moves
ship
on the water.
moves on the water.
transportation. Jenny is a student. She rides her
Jenny
bike
is
to
a
school.
student. She rides her bike to school. Sometimes she takes the school bus
the
too.
bike and the school bus are her
The
transportation.
bike and the school bus are her transportation. Transportation moves people or things from one place to
What kinds of transportation
other.
do you use?
What kinds of transportation do you use?
Drive their cars to work.
Some people drive
Some
their
people
cars
take
to
the
work.
subway to
Some
work.
people take the
Some people
subway
take buses
to work.
Some kinds of
Some people
transportation
take buses
move a
to
lot
work.
of
Some
things
kinds
at one time.
of transportation move a lot of
delivers
things
to
at
people.
one time. A delivery truck
tanker
delivers
truck
things
carries
to
oil
place.
and gas.
People. A
A
tanker
train
truck
can
carries
also
oil
carry a
and
lot
gas.
of things at one
A
time.
train can also carry a lot of
Airplanes
things
and helicopters
at one
move
time.
in the air.
Airplanes and
Airplanes
helicopters
can fly around
move
the
in
world
the air.
to transport
Airplanes
people
can
and
fly
goods.
around the world to
People
transport
also travel
people
on the
and
water.
goods. People
Many
also
ships
travel on
and
the water.
ferries
Many
transport
ships and
people
ferries
goods.
transport people and goods.
Transportation. Jenny is a student.
Jenny is a student.
She rides her bike to school.
She rides her bike to school.
Sometimes she takes the school bus too.
Sometimes she takes the school bus
The
too.
bike and the school bus are her transportation.
The bike and the school bus are her transportation.
Moves people or things from one place to another.
Transportation moves people
What
or
kinds of
things from one
transportation
place
do
to
you
another.
use?
What kinds of transportation do you
Some
use?
people drive their cars to work.
Some people drive
Some
their
people
cars to
take
work.
the subway to work.
Some people take the subway to work.
Some people take buses to work.
Some people take buses to work.
Some kinds of transportation move a lot of things at one time.
Some kinds of transportation move a lot
A
of things
delivery
at
truck
one time.
delivers things to people.
A delivery truck delivers things
A
to
tanker
people.
truck carries oil and gas.
A tanker truck carries oil and gas.
A train can also carry a lot of things at one time.
A train can also carry a lot of things at one time.
Airplanes and helicopters move in the air.
Airplanes and helicopters move in the air.
Airplanes can fly
Airplanes can fly around the world to transport people and
People
goods.
also travel on the water.
People also travel on the water.
Many ships and ferries transport people and goods.
Many ships and ferries transport people and goods.
Chapter 2 Science. Unit 5 A World of Plants.
Reading focus.
What are some kinds
What are
of
some
plants?
kinds of plants?
What are some
What are some parts of a plant?
What plant
What
parts
plant
do we
parts
eat?
do we eat?
Before you read, keywords.
Kinds of plants.
Kinds of plants.
Grass,
Grass,
trees,
trees,
flowers,
flowers,
vegetables,
vegetables.
The parts of a plant.
flower,
The parts of a plant.
leaf,
Flower, fruit,
stem,
leaf, stem,
Roots.
root.
power verbs.
Grow.
Grow. I grow plants.
Live.
Live.
Plants live in
Plants live
places.
in many places.
Hold.
Hold.
The fruits
The
hold
fruits hold
seeds.
seeds.
Word families.
Roots.
Some
Roots.
are
Some
thick.
roots are thick.
Some
Some roots
thin.
are thin.
Stems.
Some stems
Stems.
are thick.
Some stems are
Some
thick.
stems are thin.
Some stems are thin.
Leaves.
Some leaves,
Leaves.
are big.
Some leaves are
Some
big.
leaves
Some
are little.
leaves are little.
Fruits.
Fruits.
Some plants have
Some
fruits.
plants have fruits.
Some plants
Some plants do not have fruit.
Seeds.
Seeds.
Some seeds
Some
are
seeds
big.
are big.
Some seeds are
Some
small.
seeds are small.
A world of plants. I am Scott, and this is my garden.
I am Scott and this is my garden. I grow many plants here.
There are
There are
many
many
different
different
kinds
kinds of plants.
Plants can be big.
Plants can
or
be big
small.
or small.
Grass,
Grass,
vegetables,
vegetables, and trees are all plants.
Plants have
different parts.
Most plants have roots,
Most plants
stems,
have
and
roots,
leaves.
stems, and leaves.
Many plants have
Many plants have
flowers too.
flowers too.
The flowers
The
make
flowers
fruits.
make fruit.
The
The
fruits
fruit hold
seeds.
seeds.
We can eat
We
many
can
plant
eat
parts.
many plant parts.
We eat roots.
We eat roots,
Radishes,
onions, and
are the
carrots
roots of
are
plants.
the roots of
We
plants.
eat stems.
We eat stems.
Celery
Celery is the stem of a plant.
We eat leaves,
We eat
such
leaves
as lettuce
such
and
as
cabbage.
little
We eat
lettuce
flowers,
and
such as
cabbage.
broccoli.
We
and
eat flowers such as broccoli and
We eat the
cauliflower.
fruits of many
We eat the
plants,
fruits
too.
of many plants too.
Apples,
Apples,
and strawberries
pears,
are fruits we eat.
and strawberries are
Sometimes we eat the
fruits we
seeds of
eat.
plants,
Sometimes we eat the
Corn,
seeds of
Rice
plants
and
too.
peanuts
Corn,
are
rice,
all the
and
seeds of
peanuts
plants.
are all the seeds of plants.
A world of plants. I am Scott, and this is my garden.
I am Scott and this is my garden.
I grow many plants here.
I grow many plants here.
There are many different kinds of plants.
There are many different kinds of plants.
Plants can be big or small.
Plants can be big or small.
Grass, vegetables, and trees are all plants.
Grass, vegetables, and trees are all
Plants
plants.
have different parts.
Plants have different parts.
Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves.
Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves.
Many plants have flowers too.
Many plants have flowers too.
The flowers make fruits.
The flowers make fruit.
The fruits hold
The
seeds.
fruit holds seeds.
We can eat
We
many
can
plant
eat many
parts.
plant parts.
We eat roots.
We eat roots.
Radishes,
Radishes, onions, and
are the
carrots
roots of plants.
are the roots of plants.
We eat stems.
We eat stems. Celery is the stem of a plant.
We eat leaves, such as lettuce and cabbage.
We eat leaves such as leaves and cabbage. We eat flowers such as broccoli and cauliflower.
We eat the fruits of many plants.
We eat the
too.
fruit of many plants too.
Apples,
Pears, and strawberries are fruits we eat.
Sometimes
we eat the seeds of plants too. Corn, rice, and peanuts are all the seeds of plants.
Unit 6, A World of Animals.
Reading focus.
What are some kinds of animals?
What are some
Where
kinds
do
of
these
animals?
live?
Where do these animals live? What do animals need to live?
Before you read, key words.
Land animals.
Land animals.
Squirrel,
Squirrel, deer, giraffe,
snake,
snake,
lizard,
lizard,
polar bear,
polar bear,
penguin,
penguin,
Water animals.
water animals,
goldfish, shark,
goldfish,
whale,
shark, whale,
dolphin,
dolphin,
Places to live.
places to live,
forest,
forest,
grassland,
grassland,
desert,
desert,
the
the North Pole,
the South
the
Pole,
South Pole,
ocean.
ocean.
Power verbs.
Need.
Animals
Animals
need food and water.
need food and water.
Breathe.
Land animals breathe air.
Land animals breathe air.
Word families.
Lungs.
Lungs help animals breathe.
Gills.
Gills help fish breathe.
Tiny.
Tiny.
Ants are tiny.
Ants are tiny.
Huge.
Huge.
Elephants
Are huge.
Favorite.
My favorite animals are dogs.
Like.
I like dogs.
A world of animals. What's your favorite animal?
What's your favorite animal? Do you like dogs? Do you like cats?
There are many different kinds
There
of
are many
animals.
different kinds of animals. Some animals are tiny like ants. Some animals are huge like elephants.
Animals
Animals need
water to live.
food and water to live. Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat other animals. Animals need air too. Lungs help animals breathe air. Gills help fish breathe in the water. All animals need places to live too. Animals live in different places. Place.
Bears, squirrels,
Many
and
animals
deer
live in
live
forests. Bears, squirrels, and
Other
deer live in
animals
forests.
live in grasslands.
Other animals live in grassland.
Elephants, and
Giraffe,
lions
elephants,
live in
and
grasslands.
lions live in
Some
grasslands.
animals, like snakes and
Some
lizards,
animals, like
live in deserts.
snakes and lizards,
A few
live in
animals live in
deserts.
very cold
A few
places.
animals live in very cold place. Polar Polar bears live in at the North Pole. Penguins live at the South Pole. And fish live in water. Sharks, whales, and dolphins live in the ocean.
A world of animals.
Live in the ocean.
What's your favorite animal?
What's your favorite animal?
dogs?
Do you like dogs? Do you
cats?
like cats?
There are many different
Kinds of animals.
Some animals are
Some animals are tiny,
ants.
like ants.
Some
Some
animals
animals
are
are
huge,
huge, an elephant, like elephants. Animals need food and water to live.
Some animals eat plants.
Some animals eat other
Some
animals.
animals eat other animals.
Some animals eat other animals.
Need air too.
Animals need air too.
Lungs help animals breathe air.
Lungs help animals breathe
Gills
air.
help fish breathe in water.
Gills help fish breathe in
All
water.
animals need places to live too.
All animals need place to live too.
Animals live in different places.
Animals live in
Many animals
different
live in
places.
forests.
Many animals live in forests.
Bears,
Bears, squirrels, and deer live in forests.
Other animals live in grasslands.
Other animals live in grasslands.
Giraffes, elephants, and lions live in grasslands.
Giraffes, elephants, and
Some
lions
animals, like
live
snakes
in
and
grasslands.
lizards, live
Some
in
animals,
deserts.
like snakes and lizards, live in deserts.
A few animals live in
A
very
few
cold
animals
places.
live in very cold places.
Polar bears live at the North
Polar bears live at the North
Pole.
Pole.
Penguins live at the South Pole.
Penguins live at the South Pole.
And fish live in water.
And fish live in water.
Sharks, whales, and dolphins live in the ocean.
Sharks, whales, and dolphins live in the ocean.
Unit 7. A world of insects.
Reading focus.
What are some insects?
What are some
How are
insects?
insects
How
alike?
are
How
insects
many body
alike?
parts does an insect
How many
have?
body parts does an insect have?
Before you read, key words.
Insects.
Insect,
Butterfly,
butterfly,
grasshopper,
grasshopper,
bee,
bee,
beetle,
beetle,
ant,
ant.
Insect body parts.
Insect body parts.
antennas,
Antennas,
eyes,
eyes,
head,
head,
thorax,
thorax,
abdomen, 4 wings,
abdomen,
6 legs,
4 wings, 6 legs.
power verbs.
Come in.
Come in.
Insects come in many
Insects
shapes.
come in many shapes.
Take a look.
Take a look
at
and at the
Be
ants.
divided
Be
into
divided into. Insects are divided into 3 parts. Touch. Insects touch with their antenna.
Word families.
kinds of bees.
Queen bee
Kinds of bees. Queen bee, male bee,
equals
female
worker
bee, worker bee.
Kinds of ants.
queen ant,
Queen ant,
male ant,
male ant,
worker ant.
worker ant.
A world of insects. Look at the pictures.
Look at the
Can you
pictures.
name
Can
each
you
of them?
name each of them?
Ant,
Ant,
honeybee,
honeybee,
butterfly,
butterfly,
beetle.
beetle.
They are all insects.
They are all insects.
Insects come in many
Insects
colors,
come in
shapes,
many
and
colors,
sizes.
shapes, and
But
six.
every insect has
But
three
every
body
insect
parts.
has 3
A head,
body parts: a
thorax,
head,
and
thorax, and
And
abdomen.
insects all have
And
6
insects
legs.
all have 6
Some
legs.
insects have
Some
wings
insects have
and can
wings
fly.
and can fly.
Some have no wings.
Some have no wings.
Ants and bees are
And
both
chimneys are
insects.
both insects.
Take a look at them.
Take a look at them.
How many legs
How many
do they have?
legs do they have?
They all have
They all have 6
six legs, right?
legs, right?
Their
Their
bodies are
body are
divided
divided
into
into
their
3
eyes and
parts.
antennas